Here goes the first hive. From nuke to package. Nothing on the video yet. I'm putting on my glove. So we'll just arbitrarily grab this first nuke here. You can hear them if you're careful. I'm gonna grab the smoker. Get a little puff of smoke going. So here comes the bees. They said they were very friendly from the get-go, and none of them seem to be attacking at all. They're just chilling, checking out the new space. And there they go. Grab my hive tool over here on the side. Some of this will take 2 hands, so enjoy the view. So, quick update. I got 3 in so far. Totally packed with bees, as you can tell. Oops. They're just going everywhere. I'm not trying to find the queen yet. I figure I'll save that for later on the last hive. But they're everywhere. like a spotted bird. Okay, first package in. You can tell it took 7 minutes about, but I also noticed that I got the 2 frame feeder over here, which is a 2 gallon, and I got 2 extra frames. So right now this thing only has 9 frames in it. I mean, space wise, it should have one over here. When I say 9, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It can't fit the 10th one for some reason with this in here. So we'll see about how that goes. But it looks like they're very well packed. I already have about 2 gallons of 1-to-1 in here. So I'm gonna go ahead, put a little cover on here. Let the bees have their space. Oops, sorry little bee. Another one bites the dust. To be or not to be, I've been waiting to use that one. You're welcome. So I'm going to go ahead and put this like this. I'm going to put a pollen patty over here. There we go. Put it right there by the entrance for them. I'm sure they'll find it. So there's where I got going right there. Got a little pollen patty in there. I got about 1/3 of one in there. They're 1 pound, so it's about 1/3 of a pound. Then I'll come over here, grab a lid. And these bees should be happy. Actually, no, that is incorrect. I'm sorry. I think it's supposed to go the other way. Ventilation up top, sorry. Now pollen patty. There you go, pollen patty. And now they have an exit on the top also. Slightly. Notice I also have entrance reducer somewhat in here. I don't have the smallest, but I don't have the largest. And I think that's a wrap for first hive.